Good morning, Eastview. Mr. Gully is here. Happy Friday, September 18th. We do have a guest speaker in just a few moments, which is part of the QOD questions. We'll get to that. But first, today is a catch-up day, meaning if you are behind, let's say, on the website, you can get both your artifacts in, make sure you have your Dreamboard and your Pixlr edit in, or maybe you only did, here's my example of someone behind, they did the Dreamboard reflection, but they did not do the graphic design reflection. You need to get that in today. Or maybe on their homepage, they forgot to put in their artifact or their banner. So those are something to get caught up on today. Also, challenges 1 and 2. You want to make sure you have those done for the photo editing. So yesterday, if we're looking at the sheet, we did the cartoon yourself, and then we did the eye color. Some of you did the elite challenge. I'm offering a bonus challenge today. The bonus challenge works as follow. If you do it and you're in between a grade, let's say on the summative you're in between a 3 and a 4, I bump you up to the 4. If you're in between a 2 and a 3, you bump up to the 3. I think you get the idea. So the bonus challenge is the tie challenge. Yesterday, one of our Eastview's own did a student tutorial, which is awesome, so you can watch this tutorial video and it'll walk you through and even how to add a cool background in it. She did an awesome job. So that's the bonus challenge. Now let's say you did this, then your bonus challenge is you get to sketch whatever you'd like and paint it in and make your own creation today. So the guest speaker today is Captain America. I'm actually holding it. You can't see it. It's my son's toy, so the answer for the QOD is Captain America. So I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in class.